probably paying somebody to write their own college paper. So like all of their entry requirements are just fabricated. Like these colleges are letting kids that are
if you mad, that's fucking for my think that I should go. Don't you get the joy you tryna gain me? You being different, you will not be in the same me. You could have Gucci, but now it's so navy. And your homegirl wanna take me shady.
Are you so proud, I swear.
Hey Julie, heard you got that drip. Yes, something for my wrist. Paparazzi saying flick.
Nice, not bad.
I'm an icon like Will Smith, yeah. That's a layup. My old life, I still awake. I tell Spanish on me, think I keep. Something for my wrist.
But believe me, if it's fire, I'll make time back. I'll be faithful, Johnny Cash. Otherwise, I'll just be single and I'm fine with that.
Something for my baby, Julie, heard you got that drip, got that drip. Something for my wrist,
Hey, now open some more. You can leave that out in my lap, don't worry. You're an asshole.
Girl, how you been, baby?
There she is. That's everything
Why you gotta lie, never lie? Your little brother think I am so fine, Julie. I used to rock with buttons, that's on me. Now I gotta go and see my jeweler and hold you. Bring a second Genesis, like man, I put an OT. Genesis, all these happy raps, super duper bought invented this. Hey, I know that you hate this, I'm fucking on your mistress. Eat it like a biscuit, tick, for my rollie, don't talk. Young, smart, black nigga finna bust some stock. Hey, Julie, how'd you get that wet? Something for my neck. Hey, Julie.
I thought it was an epic, but it's only a rare. Sorry. Epic, that must feel good.